eSGarden is a European project that brings the technology into the schools in a different way throughout a real problem, that's the environment and how to care it, and an activity around the gardens about gardening.
Gardens played an important role in our schools for many years. Introduce a place where students, no matter how they are, can work together, interacting with nature and learning by doing.
What are the advantages of planting? Planting out of the classroom, thinking out of the box.
With the development of both of personal and academic skills, also helps our students to acquire healthy habits.
Why to connect school gardens with ICT technology? Slovenian team believes that the project perfectly combines innovative practices, students' appeal towards exploring virtual worlds, and environmental awareness.
What are the main challenges for us in participating in this Erasmus project? We believe they are for us to develop knowledge-based and practice-based capacity to be able to support teachers training and schools in their development of pedagogical and curricular innovation and digital inclusion, for them to be able to develop active and informed citizens in environmental protection and sustainable development.
We are anxious to share and discover new ways of promoting creativity and the inclusion of all students. We want to improve student skills, quality education and success.
It sends a message that joint nature nourishment can actually lead a way to a better future.
Yeah!